If you are looking for the best ash vacuum, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started.
At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals.
Number 1. Most popular. PowerSmith PAVC 102 Ash and Shop-Vacuum. Every vacuum cleaner can handle warm and cool ash effectively and efficiently. Thanks to PowerSmith for this awesome PAVC 102 Ash and Shop Vacuum, as it can clean ashes of fireplaces, stoves, or even barbecue grills. The washable and replaceable filter, which is resistant to heat, will trap the finest dust and ash effectively. The capacity of this ash cleaner is 4 gallons, and the heat-resistant metal hose will help you to use it conveniently. It comes with a powerful 10 AEMP motor to ensure proper cleaning. Besides, this machine produces tolerable noise. Number 2. Pellethead Ash Vacuum. If you want a vacuum cleaner with the ability to clean cool and warm ashes, this product will surely give you an optimum solution. This superb product comes with dual HEPA filters, which are washable and of course heat resistant, to give you the best user's experience with vacuum cleaning. The powerful 10 AEMP motor will ensure that you'll get nothing but the effective cleaning with this cleaner. The noise level of this tool is only 78 decibels, so you can perform the cleaning quietly without disturbing other people. Number 3. Shop-Vac 4041200 Ash Vacuum. This vacuum is made by veteran company Shop-Vac and is known for its wide range of vacuums for every type of situation. It has a straightforward design that makes it very simple for you to use, and you won't need a manual to operate this. The product uses a HEPA filtration system, which makes it great for even the smallest grains of ash. It has a thermal protection feature that helps in preserving the lifespan of the vacuum, and a stainless steel container that will last for ages. Number 4. PowerSmith PAVC 101 All-in-One Ash Vacuum. The product is specifically made to clean from wood stoves, fireplaces, and barbecues. It is also one of the best ash vacua for pellet stoves. The vacuum comes with a wheeled base, so you can use it around conveniently. You can alternatively use the vacuum to clean your home because of how it is designed. The canister design of the vacuum makes it capable of containing around 3 gallons of ash. This versatile vacuum has a strong motor rated at 10 amps, which makes it capable to be converted into a leaf blower. Number 5. ASHJ 201 4.8 gallon 4 amp Ash Vacuum. This is a simple vacuum that you can use for simple outings and small messes. It has a dual filter system that cleans up your ash efficiently. The vacuum's simple design resembles that of a paint bucket and will blend in nicely in your shed or garage. The vacuum is relatively smaller to those in the list and can be conveniently carried around with the handle. It is designed to be used for at-home use and small occasions. The filter cartridge is reusable and is easy to clean. This product has a relatively big storage capacity of 4.8 gallons.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.